Hi you guys, welcome to Chanel Family Fun TV. And before I get started, I want to tell you to click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and leave a comment if you like this video. And today, I have this giant green mystery egg. We have a St. Patrick's Day giant green mystery egg. So you know St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So don't you pinch someone when they don't have on green, Dad? Yes. So let's see what's inside this giant mystery egg. What do you think is inside here? I know I see a Poopsie credits on the table. LOL hair goes on the table. So what do you think can be inside here? Leave a comment in the box below. What did you think the leprechaun leaving here for Mommy to unbox for St. Patrick's Day? What do you think in here, Dad? You don't know? Where? Oh, I don't have any scissors. It's a deal. Ooh, look at all the goodies we have in there. We have a Poopsie Cutie Tooties. We have an LOL Fuzzy Pets. Another LOL Fuzzy Pets. Ooh, the leprechaun love all these. Another LOL Surprise Fuzzy Pets. We have the Pikmi Surprise Domies. Oh, and I also got the big one too, and the medium-sized one. But we'll save that for another video. We also have the LOL Littles. Did the leprechaun leave me a note? No. Oh, no he didn't. He stole my Ryan's World's toys. Oh, where? So what should we unbox first, friends? From the green mystery egg. Would you unbox the Poopsie Critters, the LOL Hair Goes, the Fuzzy Pets, Pikmi Dough, Poopsie Tootie Cuties, or LOL Surprise? I think first I'm going to unbox the... Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, I know what I want to unbox. We're going to get to it. I'm going to unbox this Pikmi Dough. Should I? Yeah. I haven't unboxed one of these yet, you guys. So I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to unbox either this, or that. Don't know yet. So have you unboxed the Pikmi's dough yet? What is it called? It says Sweet Scented Plush is inside. So let's see what's inside of here. And yes, I'm going to unbox one of these also. So I'm going to get started with both of them at the same time. Oh, you guys, where? Dad, what time we picked Chanel up from school today, do you know? Wonder what's inside, you guys. Oh, yes, and I'm going to finish opening the Pikmi Dough too. I'm opening both at the same time. Because Mommy realized she has to get a little bit faster at unboxing these toys. And the LOL Surprise says, strut your stuff. Oh God, you guys, can I get this open? Ooh, 5, 10, 20. Let's see what we got. So you guys, what do you think is in this Pikmi Dough? This is my first time unboxing one. Super excited. see what it has in there. Okay, it says cases. Common, special edition, limited edition. Oh, and the large domies. I can't wait to open mine. So these are the small ones. It comes with sweets. Oh, and I still have to unbox this LOL Lows. Leela. I wonder which one I'm going to get, Dad. And they come in different scents. And they show you the rares are on there. The super set. This is for the mediums. And this is for the jelly Pikmi. OMG, I'm so excited to open all these Pikmi series. Oh my God, this almost smells like our stuff from Build-A-Bear, Dad. It smells so good. So you guys, this is the Pikmi Domies I got out of the small one. And it says Belly the Butterfly. That's the one that I have. Well, let me see what she smells like. Like, oh, I got it there! You guys, I got a special edition. I got a rare. No. I got a special edition. So is that better than a rare, you guys? Leave a box in the comment below. And right here it says special edition. So I'm special. Okay, let's get on to the LOL. And finish unboxing that. Let's see what we have in here. I see a hat. I hope we didn't get this one already. What can be in this teeny little bag right here? I have to cut this to the side because I want to make sure I don't cut anything. Got a red bow. Let's see what doll we got. Oh. Hey, I got a puppy. I don't want all the puppies. I want all the babies. Let's see what puppy we have, friends. So we have Pup in the Woods. How cute is this puppy? Let's see if she does something. Does she? I think she cries. Well, you guys, I'm not going to kid you. She's supposed to cry, but guess what? It's hard to get something out this puppy's mouth. So we have Pup in the Woods. And we have a special edition Pikmi Pops Domies. And we have the Bella the Butterfly. And she smells like berries. We want to thank you for watching Chanel Family Fun TV. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.